Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at leverages on Bybit. Are you a derivative trader? If you are a derivative trader, this is for you. And if you are aspiring to be a derivative trader, this is for you as well. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that lots of people can gain value from this amazing content. So as I said earlier, we'll be going to look at derivatives. And in these derivatives, our main purpose here is leverage. How do you take your leverages? How do you adjust your leverages? So this class is going to be brief, of which in my subsequent class, we're going to go into look at how would you know if you're losing or gaining when you're trading a derivatives trading, when you're trading in derivatives. All right. So today we're going to go into physically focus on the what? On the leverages. So before you can trade on leverages, you first make sure you choose derivatives, which is here. You can see derivatives boldly showing here. Okay. Derivatives is where actually you can trade with a lot of a leverage fund, like a lot of borrowed fund. Okay, in derivatives, when you have 10 USDT to trade, you can add a leverages of 10. That is, that 10 USDT is going to be what? 10 by 10, which is roughly 100 USD. You can see with your 10 USDT capital, you can trade with 100 USDT borrowed fund. Okay, so let's quickly make our choice here. If we make a choice here, then we're going to look at how we leverage on it. So what is the choice I want to make here? Let me take XRP. Okay, let's say I've taken XRP here. You can see this is long, this is short. Then what do I need to do? I will need to first make my choice. Am I going to trade long or I'm going to trade short? So without waste of time, I will decide to trade short here. So since I have decided to trade short, this is my fund. So I'm going to go into like decide how much I want to trade with. Okay, let's say I have intent to trade with like 100 USD. Okay, let's say I want to trade with 100 USD. Okay, so you can either come to this place to decide how many of this you want to buy, or you can even buy all. Let's say I want to use this whole fund here, this whole available fund here to trade. So how many XRP do I have? I have roughly over 350,000 XRP. Okay, and don't forget, always choose this place as market so that your trade can easily be executed. All right, so here is what we're talking about here. This is cross, and this is what? This is the leverage. Okay, you can see the cross. You can see here is the leverage. So trading XRP here, you can leverage up to 1x, 10x, up to 750x. Okay, and the maximum position for the leverage is here of 6 million USD on this trade. So please note that adjusting the leverage will affect all positions and active orders under the current pair. You should note this as well. Okay, so for now, let's say I'm taking the 10 leverage. Okay, I'm taking a 10 leverage here. Let me reduce this trade for we to truly to understand. Okay, how much will this cost me? 9,000. Okay, let's say I want to get this 50. Okay, so 50 of this XRP will cost me 130 USD. 134, sorry, USD. Okay, let's say in this 134 I want to use 10 leverage, which is this. You can now see, just watch carefully. If you do have any question, drop it at the comment sections. Okay, and I'll attend to you ASAP. So now I've taken a leverage of what? A leverage of 10x. So don't forget, we are taking short trading. So I'm going to click on short. If I click on short, it will bring me to somewhere of this very nature. It has told me the order cost. It has told me the value. It has told me the order price is what is market price. The order quantity is 50 XRP. The position leverage is what? Is 10x. Okay, the estimated liquidity price is this. The time in force is what? Is immediate. Initial margin is 0. Maintenance margin rate is 0. So the next thing I will just need to do is to click on confirm in order to what? To get this trade executed. Now this trade is executed. Now come to watch. Now you can see the entry price here has been shown to me here. This is the entry price. Okay. And this is the market price. 2.8 now. This is the position size. 50 XRP coins. And my leverage here is what? 10. All right. So you can see how this leverage is being used. So this leverage will add you some trading fund so that you can easily what? You can easily make profit from it. But this leverage also can also bring you down quickly, because each time you're using leverage, the higher leverage you use, the higher risk you attract. All right. So I advise you, if you're using leverage, always use a very low leverage so that you will not have a lot of issues. Okay, we have talked about this stop loss before, of which we show how we can set the stop loss. This is where you can close your trade. Okay, this is a trailing stop. So I think in this trade, our aim here is what is achieved. Now you know how to use what? How to use leverages. Aside from that, if you still do have any question, you can drop it in the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next class. Bye.